Jisoo so happy her boyfriend give her a coffee truck support. Jisoo recently posted an Instagram story showing her happiness for a support truck with her face it all over the truck stuff that given by actor Young Hae-in. Young Hae-in, her co-star from the drama Snowdrop as Jisoo boyfriend on the drama, left a supportive message wishing the filming crew good health and expressing his support for Jisoo's new drama Influenza. Jisoo then replied the support with a teary-eyed emoji, thanking Young Hae-in for the delicious coffee on her Instagram. Fans were overjoyed to see the close friendship between Jisoo and Young Hae-in, who have supported each other since starring together in the drama Snowdrop. And fans also hope to see the two artists to reunite on screen in a future project.